Hello everyone. In this video we will show you how to manage and remove linked devices on WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp application on your phone. On the main screen, tap on the three dots located in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select Linked Devices. When you open this section, you will see a list of all the devices that are currently linked to your WhatsApp account. Take a moment to check the devices shown on this list. If you notice any device that you do not recognize or that you no longer use, it is best to remove it for your security. To remove a linked device, simply tap on the device name and then tap on Log Out. Once you do this, that device will be immediately logged out of your WhatsApp account, and it will no longer have access to your chats or messages. You can repeat this process for each device that you want to remove. This is a simple and effective way to make sure that only the devices you trust remain connected to your account. After logging out of unwanted devices, it is a good idea to keep your WhatsApp secure by enabling two-step verification in the settings. This adds an extra layer of protection in case someone tries to access your account without permission. Thanks for watching.